Introduction to what is chakras. Chakras are the focal points used in a variety of ancient meditation. It is an energy center of the body. Just like the physical body has vital and minor organs, the energy body also has major and minor and many chakras. Major chakras are 3 to 4 inch in diameter. They control and energize the major organ that are visible physical body. They're just like power station that give us life energy to the organ. If someone becomes sick, or diagnosed with a disease because they do not have enough of life energy to function properly, or the chakras needs cleansing. Just like your physical body, when we do not have enough nutrition we will fall sick. Minor chakras are 1 or 2 inches in diameter, and many chakras are smaller than 1 inch in diameter. Both of these controls and energized the less important parts of the physical body. However, these mini and major have few important functions. These chakras energized and responsible for proper functioning of the physical body on different parts and organs. The endocrine glands are controlled and energized by some of the major chakras. Chakras are energy centers. If one chakra is activated, it may result in development of certain special mental ability. The easiest safe chakra to activate are the hand chakras, which is located center of your palm. You may develop ability to feel the outer aura, subtle energy, and the inner aura, just by concentrating on them, which we use in term as sensitizing hands. Using your hand for healing sick person. This is your chakras. Every chakras has a different colors to represent certain energy for healing. Meditation can help bring the entire chakra system into balance. Regular meditation, you'll be able to sense which chakras are blocked or out of balance.